Good evening, everybody. This is Bob Icino from Path Trading Partners, along with my co-founder, Mike Arnold. It is July 4th. If you listen carefully, you can probably hear some fireworks in the background. That is July 4th, fireworks going off. So what am I doing making a recording for you guys? Well, Mike had put out an educational moment cryptocurrency update for July 4th earlier. He had actually looked at him late yesterday, made the recording, and we put it out for you guys earlier today, and Mike made an update to not only that pattern, but some other things that were going on in Litecoin. So this is a follow-up to that previous educational video that we did on cryptocurrency. So we'll call this a cryptocurrency update. Stop for a second, let you hear some of those fireworks. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. Anyway, we're done with the fireworks. Let me turn it over to Mike so he can show you what he is seeing on Litecoin. Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you very much, Bob. So here's another follow-up in our educational series. On our prior one, we talked about hitting the target and taking it off. Then it came back to a concept we call the rotation zone, which is a couple key moving averages we watch, pulled back into our rotation zone, which gave an opportunity to enter another long trade. That did run up to the full projection target. Here was the first projection target, then a re-entry, then a full projection target, came back to the R zone again. Could have given you another re-entry target, came up. Now this, we're watching for potential resistance up here as a potential double top. So let's see how this plays in. This is not a double top we short necessarily, but this is looking for a bigger pullback. Many times we get the first cross rotation zone, orange line above the blue line, and then you'll get these 5 push moves, 3 to 5 push moves. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 push moves. So now we start watching for a bigger pullback. Well, we have this nice potential double top with our key levels, the first key level being 46.62, the second key level being 45.57, which would return it to this prior pretty nice area of support. And the 46.62 level being right near this prior target area and resistance. Well, you can then look at the higher time frames. So let's take a look at switch up to a higher time frame that we'll utilize. So here we have our higher time frame. You can see our rotation zone on the higher time frame. So if we do trigger this double top or potential double top, because it's not even a triggered or a confirmed double top yet, you could see again these levels returning to the first level, returning to right near the prior breakout zone, and very key. Now this is prior resistance kind of support, and if it does dip deeper, we have the rotation zone on the higher level, and we could see it come all the way down here. So these are key areas we can watch for an even bigger pullback to sort of reset. So if this thing's going to go higher, it can reset the what we call sort of the wave count, the 5 or 3 pushes up, and then we can start a new series of 5 or 3 pushes. So these are the areas we will be watching. This is just putting together some concepts of multi-time frame analysis, using a concept for rotation zone for trading with the trend, using reversal patterns to not necessarily go short a market or go against the trend, but to enable us to identify key areas for a bigger potential pullback. That's all we have for you in this segment of the educational series. Turning it back over to you, Bob.
Thank you for that, Michael. Happy 4th of July, everybody. If you celebrate this particular holiday, don't forget to check out the Money Path podcast. It is on iTunes, Google Play, or you can find it at pathtradingpartners.com. Episode 78 was released. There is a cryptocurrency section in every podcast. And hit like and subscribe if you like what we're doing. Happy 4th of July again, guys. Cheers, everyone.